pathway toward a sustainable and inclusive future. It is a call
Wow. Ito naman yung number 6.
to contribute to society that
Ito yung number 6.
by navigating the complexity of a dynamic world.
Ito maganda siya. Yung fountain na ganito, simple lang. Diba? Simple lang siya. Tapos parang ang ganda niya talaga sa garden.
The market encounter events are not just showcases.
Tapos may table na ganyan, o diba? Pak na pak.
The innovation that lies at the heart.
Oh, ang ganda nito. Oh, may ganito po. Ganito pala yung bulaklak niya.
The entrepreneurs come together to display the richness of our
Okay, maganda siya.
from the vibrant
Kaya lang
indigenous crops.
good luck sa ano, sa may landscape nito. Maganda siya. Ito, ginawa niya na paraan tong table na to. Ganda ng ginawa niya.
And stand out from our rest. Our last natural resources have not